I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Rio headlight bulb. This guide will help you replace a faulty bulb quickly and efficiently. First, always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level surface and turning off the engine. Next, open the hood and secure it properly. Then, locate the back of the headlight assembly to begin the process. Now, let's access that bulb. You'll typically find a circular dust cover at the back of the headlight assembly. Gently unscrew or unclip it. Once the cover is off, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small tab and pulling it away. Finally, locate the metal securing clip or spring, press it down, and move it aside to free the bulb. With the old bulb free, gently pull it straight out of the housing. When handling your new bulb, remember to wear gloves or hold it by its base. Oils from your skin can significantly shorten its lifespan. Align the new bulb's tabs with the headlight assembly's recesses and push it firmly into place. Then, re-engage the metal securing clip to hold it snugly. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the back of the new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Next, replace the circular dust cover, twisting or clipping it back on tightly to protect the assembly from moisture and dirt. Finally, close your vehicle's hood and turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. You've successfully changed your Kia Rio headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.